going on, buddy?
Help.
They're burning.
Yes.
What did you do, Amelia?
I put this one on.
Let's
This
see
one.
it. Oh. Well, don't push that button again. Let's get that outside. Whew. I don't think the house has ever had that much smoke. Oh, that's so black. Don't just throw it there. Whew.
Get out! We don't need to. Take that. Hey, get this out before the fire alarm comes on.
Yeah. Luckily, I didn't put a fire alarm in the kitchen.
If you did, then it'll be beeping every day.
Keep it back.
Oh.
Well, I guess round 2 on popcorn. That was pretty crazy.
I think I pressed this button.
My eyes are actually burning.
My eyes too. Echo, turn it out! Take it out! Take it out! Take it out! We're not gonna eat that.
You want? Well, once it cools down, then we want to get that into the garbage. Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm tired of because the burnt popcorn smell.
Yeah, pop out. Do a cameo.
Hey, what? What do you want? It still smells bad.
Yeah, Amelia. All right.
Bye.